Now that we understand quantitative data as numerical data, we can break it even further. Just like there are two major types under qualitative data, we also have two major types of quantitative data, which includes discrete data and continuous data. So let's start with discrete data. Discrete data is numerical data that we can count using whole numbers. And remember that whole numbers do not allow fractions or decimals. For example, the number of siblings a person has is discrete because you can have one sibling, two siblings, or three siblings, but you cannot have 2.3 siblings or 3/2 of a sibling. Another example is the number of books in an office. You might have 10 books, 100 books, but you cannot have 5.5 books or 9.33 books. Now let's talk about continuous data. Continuous data is numerical data that can take on any value between two whole numbers. Unlike discrete data, continuous data allows decimals and fractions. A lot of data that we measure today rather than count is continuous. For example, salary is continuous because your salary could be $60,000.25 or it could be $60,000.50. Even though we usually round monetary values to two decimal places, they can still take on many decimal values, especially in some countries. The major difference is that discrete data is counted and uses whole numbers only, while continuous data is measured and allows decimals or fraction. And both of them are examples of quantitative data, but they behave differently and are analyzed in different ways. Understanding the difference between discrete and continuous data will help us to choose the right calculations, choose the right charts and analytical techniques.